True friendship quotes for real friends. A true friend is someone who knows the song in your heart and can sing it back to you when you have forgotten the words. Donna Roberts. Friendship is the hardest thing in the world to explain. It's not something you learn in school. But if you haven't learned the meaning of friendship, you really haven't learned anything. Muhammad Ali. A friend is one who knows you and loves you just the same. Elbert Hubbard. The most beautiful discovery true friends make is that they can grow separately without growing apart. Elizabeth Foley. A true friend is someone who is there for you when they'd rather be anywhere else. Len Wein. In everyone's life, at some time, our inner fire goes out. It is then burst into flame by an encounter with another human being. We should all be thankful for those people who rekindle the inner spirit. Albert Schweitzer. Friends are the siblings God never gave us. Mencius. The greatest gift of life is friendship, and I have received it. Hubert H. Humphrey. A friend is someone who understands your past, believes in your future, and accepts you just the way you are. Friendship is born at that moment when one person says to another, "What? You too? I thought I was the only one." C.S. Lewis. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience, this is the ideal life. Mark Twain. Friendship isn't about who you've known the longest, it's about who walked into your life, said "I'm here for you," and proved it. True friendship is when you walk into their house and your Wi-Fi connects automatically. A friend is one of the nicest things you can have, and one of the best things you can be. Douglas Pagels. Friendship is the only cement that will ever hold the world together. Woodrow T. Wilson.
Please like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel's Immortal Solution, We Create the Solution, at +91 to 8,910,207,569 9,830,451,613. Please check the description for more premium contents.